Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop automatic backup of WhatsApp chat. So we want to do it manually. We don't want to backup our WhatsApp chat automatic. On top right, you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see setting option. So again click on it. So we are in setting section, and then you see chat. So again click on it. So we are in chat section, and then you see option chat backup. So click on it. So we are in chat backup. Now you see we set automatic backup, but we are going to prevent or stop automatic backup of our WhatsApp chat. Now click on it on automatic backup. Now you see pop up, and then you see multiple option daily, weekly, monthly, and then you see only when I tap backup button. So we select this option. Now you see we selected automatic backup only when I tap backup. Now you see backup button. So by using this, you stop automatic backup of WhatsApp chat. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.